Hey guys, we are now at day 5 on the 2019 Indian Chieftain, and that's right, helmet is on, cameras are on, and I want to give you guys a good review on our final day with the 2019 Indian Chieftain. So I'm going to give you a little bit about riding impressions from the standpoint of what it's like to be behind the bars on this motorcycle, and then I'm going to do a full recap for you to kind of close it out. Might be a little bit longer than normal video, but let's get right at it. So out here in the countryside, few cars on the road, give you a chance to really take a motorcycle and put it through its paces, but let's get to it. So first off, the Indian Chieftain, it just has that incredible sound with that Thunderstroke motor. So you're ripping through the gears, you can hear it. Sounds crisp, sounds clean. You definitely have power with those 3 different riding modes with the motorcycle. A couple things that stand out for me right at first impression, throttle response. So when we talk about throttle response on a motorcycle, we talk about being in first gear, and the minute you come off the line, how does the throttle respond to you shifting up through the gears? So that first gear is the most critical one. Throttle response on this is incredibly smooth. You can tell that they put a lot of time into the engineering of the throttle response of the motorcycle. The seat. We talk about seating arrangements on motorcycles. With this Chieftain, the seat is incredible. It's wide, it's comfortable. So if you want to tour with this motorcycle, or you also just want to cruise around town, you can do that with the Indian Chieftain. One of the other things, and I'm going to stop talking so you can kind of hear, is the windshield in front of me. Now, I noted with the windshield that you can hear the helmet from the standpoint of helmet buffeting. You can hear the wind when I drop the front windshield down. So front windshield is up. I'm going to stop talking, and you're going to hear it. So now you can kind of see it's harder to hear me because the windshield is now, and I've got my mask open, but the windshield is down. So when I put that windshield up, even with my mask up, you can see the audio gets a little bit better. And that's a great feature on the motorcycle as well. So you got great power, you got great riding modes, you have some awesome technology as far as the windshield being able to go up and down. You have 4 speakers on this motorcycle, but let's just round it out with everything that you want to know on the 2019 Indian Chieftain. Here's what you want to know. The motorcycle starts around $22,000, $23,000. You can top it out with a variety of different accessories as well. Tops out under $30,000. I love the size of the saddlebags. You can put 2 full-size backpacks inside there. You never are going to run out of space. For quick trips, I could do an overnight trip with just the saddlebags alone. I love the touchscreen technology up on front. That touchscreen allows me to kind of keep an eye on everything happening with the motorcycles, but let's face it, it is an entertainment system, and with those 4 speakers bumping, I can either listen to music through the device that's mounted on my helmet, or I can listen to the music through the speakers on the motorcycle. I love the look of the bike as well. I think that's something that makes the Indian a standout, and then you base that on, you know, the fact they've got a history dating back to 1901 as America's first motorcycle manufacturer. You have a great experience ahead of you if this is the motorcycle you want to have in your garage. All right, that's it. 2019 Indian Chieftain. I'm Mike Caudill for OurAutoExpert.com. You can check us out there. You can check us out on all of the social channels if you just Google OurAutoExpert.com. You can check me out on my personal YouTube page, which is Michael Caudill on YouTube as well. A lot of things to share with the 2019 Indian Chieftain. We hope we covered most of them for you over the past week. Until next time, that's it for me, Mike Caudill, on 2 wheels, 4 wheels, or maybe even a unicycle. I don't know. See you next time.